Welcome! Today we'll learn how to convert 5.5 liters to milliliters. Let's understand the relationship between these units and solve this step by step. Let's first understand what the prefix milli means. Milli represents 1,000th, or 1 divided by 1,000. Therefore, 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. This is our conversion factor. To convert 5.5 liters to milliliters, we'll multiply 5.5 by our conversion factor of 1,000. Let's multiply. 5.5 times 1,000 equals 5,500. Let's visualize this conversion. Here we have a 5.5 liter container. When we convert this to milliliters, we're expressing the same volume in thousandths of a liter. Each liter contains 1,000 milliliters, so 5.5 liters contains 5,500 milliliters. Let's summarize what we learned. To convert from liters to milliliters, we multiply by 1,000. So 5.5 liters equals 5,500 milliliters. Remember, milli means 1,000th, which is why we multiply by 1,000 to convert from the larger unit to the smaller unit.